Hello everyone. Today we will explore the amazing journey of bananas, from the sapling on the tree to your table. Each stage of harvesting and processing is imbued with the dedication and talent of the farmers. Let's experience this fascinating journey together. The journey of bananas begins in tissue culture laboratories, where carefully selected varieties are propagated under strict sanitary conditions. Tissue culture techniques not only enable mass propagation, but also ensure uniform growth and provide disease-free plants. This process starts with selecting healthy parent plants, free from disease, usually by taking tissue samples from the growing tips or young leaves. The tissue is cut using sterile tools and immersed in a disinfecting solution to eliminate bacteria. Afterward, the tissue is placed in a gel agar-culture medium, which is rich in nutrients and hormones under sterile conditions and artificial light. After about 4 to 8 weeks, the tissue develops into healthy seedlings with roots and shoots, ready to be transferred to another environment for further. After growing in the tissue culture environment, banana seedlings will be taken outdoors to acclimate for 1 to 2 weeks. This helps them adjust to light, humidity, and temperature. They're placed in a shaded area with humidity maintained by misting or light watering. Light intensity increases after a few days, with temperatures around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's important to water evenly and monitor for pests. Once acclimated, the seedlings will be planted in the soil, ready for growth and high yield. After preparing the land, farmers will plant banana seedlings in the ground. To keep the soil moist, people install misting or fine misting systems, providing enough water for the plants throughout the growth process. Depending on the banana variety, the time from planting to maturity can range from 9 to 20 months. Cavendish bananas, famous for their characteristic flavor and durability, have been developed through advanced research. After about 6 months of cultivation and nurturing under ideal conditions, the seedlings are transferred to the field for planting. Due to the unique wetland terrain in Mindanao, bananas are often grown on raised mounds, ensuring good drainage and protecting the roots from waterlogging. This process not only optimizes the growth of the plants, but also ensures high yields during harvest time. Farmers care for banana plants by pruning flower buds to promote cluster growth. They prune branches for even growth and remove terminal flowers to concentrate nutrients on larger fruits, optimizing yield. Major diseases affecting banana leaves include bacterial wilt, fusarium wilt, and sigatoka. Infected leaves are removed, and pesticides such as dimethoate and odd are sprayed on affected plants. Workers also use methyl-dion 25-EC to control aphids and spider mites, ensuring plant health. Agricultural drones are becoming essential tools in banana farm management. They are used for spraying pesticides, saving time, and accessing hard-to-reach areas, monitoring crops with cameras and sensors for early detection of issues, evenly distributing fertilizers to boost yields, and enhancing labor efficiency while reducing care costs. The primary goal is to improve production efficiency, save time and costs, and ensure healthy crop growth. The banana harvesting process on large-scale farms is critical and requires the coordination of skilled workers. First, workers assess the size and ripeness of the bananas. A mature banana plant can yield between 10 to 15 clusters, so selecting the right time for harvest is vital to ensure quality. Once the ripe clusters are identified, workers carefully cut each one to avoid damaging the fruit. The clusters are then transported to a collection area where workers securely tie them to ropes for easy transfer through the hanging system. After washing, the clusters are meticulously arranged to prevent any collisions that could bruise the fruit. Finally, each banana cluster is wrapped in soft paper to protect it and prevent scratches during transportation. This entire process not only ensures high quality, but also enables farmers to optimize their harvest yield, with each hectare producing between 30 to 40 tons of bananas annually. Thanks to advanced technology and skilled labor, this method enhances production efficiency and increases economic value for farmers, contributing to a more sustainable and profitable agricultural practice. As soon as the bananas are harvested, they are transported directly from the fields to the factory via a conveyor system, minimizing air exposure and keeping the bananas fresh. Upon arrival, workers carry out 3 initial tasks: removing the soft paper between banana layers, measuring their size, and washing the bananas with water spray to eliminate dirt and bacteria. Next, a quality specialist cuts a banana from the cluster to check for freshness and quality. The bananas are then washed again to ensure food safety. Workers cut large clusters into smaller bunches, soaking them in clean water to maintain moisture and freshness. This cutting process is done with scissors, while any leftover stems are trimmed and ground for use as organic fertilizer or animal feed. The banana processing follows strict standards to ensure that the final product meets the highest quality. Each day, a factory can process tons of bananas, producing items like dried bananas, banana juice, or banana puree. Thanks to modern procedures and an experienced workforce, bananas not only retain their natural flavor, but also enhance economic value for farmers and the food processing. After the bananas are processed, they are transferred to the packing area. Here, each tray of bananas is carefully weighed to ensure accuracy. Once the checks are complete, the bananas are moved to the packing line. Workers skillfully place the bananas into designated compartments, arranging them carefully to avoid collisions. As they pass through the packing machine, the bananas are sealed to protect them and maintain freshness. To prevent contamination, a chemical solution is applied to the cut stems, helping to protect the product during transport. After sealing, the bananas are moved to the main packing area. Here, workers pack the bananas into cardboard boxes, each lined with a layer of polythene to protect and maintain moisture. The bananas are arranged in layers with a layer of polythene between each. And finally, air is vacuumed out to improve preservation and extend shelf life. An important step in this process is quality inspection. Workers cut a banana from the bunch to check for freshness and quality. This process takes only 1 to 2 minutes, but is essential to ensure all bananas meet standards before packing. Once the packing process is complete, the banana boxes are moved to the shipping area. Here, workers use forklifts to load the boxes onto containers. Each container can hold between 24 to 30 tons of bananas, and care must be taken during loading to avoid damage, keeping the product intact. Finally, the containers are sealed and transported to domestic and international markets. Thanks to the modern packing and shipping process, the bananas can maintain high quality to meet consumer demand. This entire process not only protects product quality, but also optimizes production efficiency, contributing to the economic value for farmers and the food processing industry.